Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your wood floors naturally. And you can see here in my home I have a ton of wood floors. So you better believe I've tried everything on the market. Plus I like my wood floors to be nice and shiny. When it comes to tile, I like to use my Bissell steamer. I've made an entire video on that. I can link that in the description box below. Steam, that's all you need using that one. But here's one ingredient that you are going to use when it comes to cleaning. Can you guess what this is in here? It's thick, it's very concentrated, it smells delicious. It kind of looks like honey, but it's not honey. You may have seen a previous video where you get yourself a nice storage container and you fill it with lots of microfiber towels for your mop. You put it with warm water and a little bit of Castile soap. That's great. It's just not my favorite. I have something that works a little bit better for me as a mom of 4 children. We certainly are gonna get our mop heads right here. By the way, I have a ton of these on hand. I like to use a different one for the bathroom and for the entryway, especially if there is salt in the wintertime here in the Midwest, and for regular old living areas. I've had this Libman mop. No, this is not sponsored. I have never done any sort of sponsored content on this channel, and I've literally had this for years. This thing works like a charm. I clean my floors every single week, and this is over a 4,000 square foot home, so you can imagine I need things that work quick, fast, and efficient. So yep, I just went ahead and put that on there like Velcro, and then you can go ahead and wash these as you normally would. I wash them just like I would my microfiber towels. I can link a video in the description box below about how to properly wash those microfiber towels so that you do not damage them. This here just pops out really easily. That way you're not having to carry a bucket around your house or a big bottle of soap. And then I'm just gonna fill this up with a little bit of water. Nice warm water is my preference. Now I'm gonna add just about a teaspoon of this. A little goes a long way into there. Pop this baby right back on in there. And I love this because one of the reasons that people have trouble when it comes to cleaning their hardwood floors is because they're using way too much water or way too much solution. But this is just a nice airy spray so that you can do your floors quickly, fast, clean them, make them shiny, quickly change your cloths when you are going from room to room. If you have company coming over quickly and you need to clean, have no fear, my friend. I do like to go with the grain of the wood, as you can see right here. I do not prefer to go this way. However, when you're up against a rug such as this, it can be a bit more challenging to get in all those nooks and crannies. There we go, just like that. This is my tried and true way, my friend, year after year after year. Saves your back and not having to haul anything around. So what do I actually use to clean floors? Murphy's oil soap, very concentrated. Look on the back right here, 98% naturally derived ingredients, no unnecessary chemicals, phosphate free. This works, my friend. Again, not sponsored. Again, all this will be linked in the description box below to make it easier on you. Let me know if you've tried this in the comments box below. Give this video a thumbs up. Also click the video on screen now for some additional cleaning and life hacks. And I will see you, my friend, in the next one.